In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pie chart gadget on a Jira dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the gadget, configure it with meaningful data, and read the results to get quick insights into your work. Start by going to the top menu and clicking Dashboards. From here, you can open an existing dashboard you already use, or create a new one if you want a fresh space just for reporting. Either option works. The key is that you're on a dashboard where you want the pie chart to live. Next, click Add Gadget. A panel will appear with a list of available gadgets. Use the search box to quickly find what you need by typing pie chart gadget. When it appears, click Add beside the gadget to place it on your dashboard. Now it's time to configure the pie chart gadget. The most important choice here is the data source. You can select a saved filter or choose a project. Saved filters are great because they return exactly the issues you care about. For example, you might use filters like open bugs to focus on defects that still need attention, marketing tasks for items assigned to your marketing team, or current sprint issues to zero in on work planned for the sprint. If you don't have a saved filter yet, selecting a specific project still gives you a clear starting point. After selecting the source, choose the statistic type that defines how the pie slices are grouped. Common options include status, priority, assignee, issue type, and components. Status shows where work stands in your workflow. Priority highlights urgency. Assignee reveals workload distribution across team members. Issue type separates bugs, tasks, and stories. Components can segment work by areas or modules in your product. Let's look at two helpful example setups. A pie chart by status breaks your issues into to-do, in progress, and done. This immediately visualizes progress, making it easy to spot bottlenecks if the in-progress slice is growing or celebrate wins when done expands. Another popular choice is a pie chart by priority with high, medium, and low slices. This helps you identify urgent work at a glance and ensures the team is aligned on what needs attention first. When your selections look right, click Save or Done. The pie chart will appear on your dashboard, ready to use and share in stand-ups or reports. If the chart looks empty or off, double-check your filter returns issues and that the chosen statistic type makes sense for that data. With these steps, you now have a clear visual that turns Jira issues into quick, actionable insights.